And I woke up in the flower beds of fear and fertilize. Why does everybody have to be so hell and hard? Can't they see we're trying to have a
My name is Zoltan, the Gypsy, and I have some words of wisdom to bring you much happiness.
Seriously, Zoltan?
Where you been?
Zoltan.
Who?
Zoltan in the arcade. The all-wise, the all-knowing, the teller of all truth. Zoltan.
Oh. What did he say?
Said I was a prat.
No, he didn't. Sultan, the all-wise, the all-seeing, the all-knowing, the teller of all truths, says you're a prat.
Everyone calls me a prat.
Prat. But he's a prat.
Alright.
Prat.
See?
You don't even know him.
Yes, I do. He's on that dating website.
Hi, my name's Toby. People say I'm the full package.
Let's cut. You're not the full package. That's not your real voice either.
No.
Shall we just be honest?
Yeah.
Ladies like honesty.
Oh, do it again.
Yes.
pretty women out walking with gorillas down my street.
Toby, please tell me you weren't
From my
honest.
window, I'm staring while my coffee goes cold. Look
Toby?
He told me to be honest. Hi, I'm Toby.
Normal voice.
Hello, I'm Toby. I've been told to be honest, which is absolutely fair enough. So, in all honesty, I want a bird to shag.
You can't say bird and you can't say shag.
You can't say bird, nobbing, shagging, bunk up, or give her one.
Can I say fuck?
Yeah, you can say fuck. Everyone says fuck.
Well, fuck this.
Language, you prat.
Johnny, I'm gonna need some tips, mate. I'm gonna need some serious Johnny Reeves tips.
Just be yourself. Be honest. All right.
Hello, I'm Daniel Peacock.
And I'm Carl Howman.
Hasn't changed, has he?
He's still a prat.
Listen, guys, love to have you involved.
Party 2.
The return of Wild Stallion.
Be involved.
Hello folks, I'm Stuart Morris. I'm the director and curator of Misty Moon, and I'm also the producer on this fantastic new project, Party 2, the return of Wild Stallion. Now this all started last year when we showed the original Party that was made in 1983 at the Cinema Museum with Carl Howman and Danny Peacock on stage. Someone in the audience turned around and said, have you ever thought of doing a sequel to it where they're in a care home? And someone said, well, you've got a producer in the audience and Misty Moon could produce the film. All of a sudden, Danny Peacock phones me up 2 days later and said he's already writing the script. So here we are today. As you've already seen the guys talk about it, I would just like to say we would love to have you all involved with this. There's loads and loads of perks. So if you look at the bottom here, tons of perks, but the main perk is at the end of the film, there's going to be a huge party scene and you can all be involved in that. So look at the perks and hopefully we will see you with the guys for Party 2.
Wild Stallion.
My name is Zoltan, the Gypsy, and I have some words of wisdom to bring you.
What's it say?
Do you really want to know?
Yes, I really want to know. It's Zoltan, teller of all truth.
Well, Zoltan, the teller of all truths, says you're still a prat.
Oh, Zoltan, you're still a waker. You dick. Fuck things changing. Johnny, I'm going to need some more tips. More tips for David.